Let's start with number 5. The question reads as a bullet initially moving with a velocity of 20 meter per second strikes a target and comes to rest. That means slows down and then comes to rest after penetrating a distance of 10 centimeter in the target. Calculate the retardation caused by the target. So things given to us are distance, which is 10 centimeter. This thing needs to be converted into meter first. You need to divide it by 100. First thing given to us is the initial velocity, which is u. Since the bullet comes to rest, the final velocity becomes 0, and then you are supposed to calculate the retardation from the given data. So I have done the solution here. So things given to us, u is 20 meter per second, and you can see the final velocity becomes 0 because the bullet comes to rest. Displacement is 10 centimeter. I have converted it into meter, and the answer comes up to 0.1 meter. So using the formula v square equals to u square plus 2as, because the first two equations of motion can't be used because it involves time, and time is not given to us here in this question. So replacing those values of given data, like v square becomes 0 square equals to u square becomes 20 meter per second square plus 2a into s, which is 0.1 meter. Again, 0 square is 0 plus 20 meter per second square will give me 400, which is 20 into 20, 400 meter square second square plus 2as, or sorry, 2a into 0.1 meter will give me 0.2a meter. So I have just left a gap here just to show that this is the variable, this is the unit. So again, solving it further, 0.2a can be taken on the other side, and then it becomes minus. Or if you know your mathematics properly, then we can use the property of mathematics to solve it, like adding subtracting 0.2a m from both the sides of the equation, and then we can solve it. So generally we use the shifting method. So here I'm talking about the shifting method. So 0.2 am goes on the other side and becomes minus 0.2 am equals to 400 meter square second square. Again, 0.2 m goes to the denominator, or dividing by 0.2 m on both the sides. I'm getting the answer. So minus a equals to 400 meter square slash second square upon 0.2 meter, and square gets cancelled. So removing the decimal point, the 10 comes up there, again cancelling to 1 times 2, again to 5 times 10. So 400 into 5 will give me 2000 meter per second square with a minus sign, or with the minus sign in front of a, or retardation, which is minus a means retardation, equals to 2000 meter per second square. So this is number 5. So next number is number 6. So number 6, if you go through the question reads as a train moving with the velocity of 20 meter per second. See, the train is moving with the velocity of 20 meter per second initial, that means u should be 20 meter per second, is brought to rest. That means again the final velocity becomes 0 because it is brought to rest by applying brakes in 5 seconds. Calculate the retardation. So I am supposed to find the retardation. So I think you can do this sum by yourself. Please pause the video and try it to do by yourself. If you are not able to do it, I have done here number 6. So the given data were u equals to 20 meter per second, final velocity is 0, total time taken to complete its motion was 5 seconds, and you are supposed to find its retardation because it is slowing down. Again, using the first equation of motion, because time is given to us and we have u as well, we have v as well. So v equals to u plus at, replacing the values of v, u and t. So 0 equals to 20 meter per second plus 5 into a into 5 seconds. So again bringing this a into 5 seconds on the other side becomes minus a 5 second 5a minus 5a seconds equals to 20 meter per second. So minus a will be equals to 20 meter per second upon 5 seconds. So 5 can cancel 24 times, so I'm getting minus a equals to 4 meter per second square, or retardation equals to 4 meter per second square. This is number 6. So we can do number 7 in our next video.